Many cars become overdue for replacement due to outdated designs, declining sales, and technological stagnation. As the automotive industry rapidly evolves with advancements in safety, connectivity, and efficiency, vehicles that fail to keep pace risk falling behind competitors. For instance, the Mitsubishi Mirage, with minimal updates over the years, struggles to match modern standards for performance and features, making it a prime example of a car overdue for replacement. The importance of staying updated in a competitive automotive market cannot be overstated. With automakers investing heavily in electric vehicles, EVs, hybrid technologies, and autonomous driving features, consumer expectations continue to rise. Outdated models not only tarnish a brand's reputation, but can also lead to declining market shares. For example, the Dodge Charger and Challenger, while popular, rely on platforms and technology introduced over a decade ago, which affects their ability to compete with fresher, more innovative rivals. In a market increasingly driven by sustainability and cutting-edge technology, keeping vehicle lineups current is vital for attracting customers and meeting regulatory demands. Sources like Automotive News and industry reports consistently highlight the importance of modernization to maintain relevance in a dynamic industry. Signs a car is overdue for replacement. Outdated design and technology. Cars overdue for replacement often showcase aging designs that fail to match contemporary aesthetics and technological advancements. For example, the Mitsubishi Mirage still features a design language and interior quality from its introduction in 2012, lagging behind competitors that offer modern infotainment, advanced driver assistance systems, and superior materials. According to Car and Driver, such models struggle to attract buyers in an era dominated by cutting-edge technology and connected vehicles, declining sales or market competitiveness. When sales drop or models lose their competitive edge, it's a clear signal that a replacement is necessary. The Chevrolet Camaro, despite its legacy, has seen declining sales due to outdated features and the rise of electric and hybrid performance cars. MotorTrend notes that competition from EVs like the Tesla Model 3 and advancements in rivals such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E have highlighted the Camaro's stagnation in innovation. Poor performance or efficiency compared to rivals. Vehicles that fail to meet modern standards for fuel efficiency, ride quality, or performance often become outdated. For example, the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado's powertrains lag behind the efficient hybrids in its segment, as reported by Autocar. Consumers now prioritize efficiency and performance, making upgrades essential. Examples of overdue cars in 2025. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage has remained largely unchanged since its global debut in 2012. Its simplistic design, outdated interior, and lack of modern safety features make it one of the most overdue cars for a replacement. According to MotorTrend, competitors in the subcompact segment now offer more advanced technology and better build quality, leaving the Mirage struggling to maintain relevance. Dodge Charger and Challenger. Despite their enduring popularity, the Dodge Charger and Challenger have been based on the same platform since 2008. While frequent updates to their engines and trims keep enthusiasts interested, their aging architecture and lack of hybrid or electric options highlight their need for a complete redesign. Car and Driver emphasizes that their extended lifecycle contrasts with rivals like the Ford Mustang, which continually evolves to meet modern demands. Nissan Frontier. Although the US version of the Nissan Frontier received a significant update in 2022, the global Navara variant still lags behind with aging technology and design. Reports from Autocar suggest the lack of uniformity in updates creates a disparity in competitiveness across markets. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado has seen incremental updates over its long life cycle, but its engine and technology are outdated compared to rivals like the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Autocar highlights its need for modernization to stay competitive globally. Chevrolet Camaro. The future of the Chevrolet Camaro is uncertain as sales decline and GM shifts focus toward EVs. According to MotorTrend, the Camaro's lack of innovation in design and technology leaves it struggling in a segment dominated by more modern offerings like the Tesla Model 3 and Ford Mustang Mach-E. What automakers can do. Redesigns and introducing hybrids, electric versions. Automakers can address overdue models by investing in comprehensive redesigns that modernize aesthetics, improve performance, and meet current consumer expectations. A shift toward hybrids and electric vehicles, EVs, is crucial as environmental regulations tighten and demand for sustainable options grows. For instance, Ford transitioned the Mustang lineup to include the all-electric Mach-E, a move praised by MotorTrend for broadening appeal and future-proofing the brand. Introducing electrified variants, or all-new EVs for aging models, like the Dodge Charger and Challenger, would align them with industry trends. Enhancing safety, technology, and efficiency, modern consumers prioritize advanced safety features, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and efficient powertrains. Automakers should integrate driver assistance systems, ADAS, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, as standard features. The Toyota Safety Sense suite, for example, has boosted Toyota's reputation for safety across its lineup, as reported by Car and Driver. Additionally, efficient powertrains, including plug-in hybrid systems, can improve fuel economy and attract eco-conscious buyers. Focusing on connectivity, like over-the-air updates and smartphone integration, also appeals to tech-savvy audiences. As JD Power notes, incorporating these technologies ensures vehicles remain competitive in a rapidly advancing market, giving aging models a new lease on life and increasing consumer confidence. Conclusion: timely vehicle replacements are crucial for automakers to maintain competitiveness, meet regulatory demands, and cater to evolving consumer preferences. Outdated models, like the Mitsubishi Mirage or Dodge Charger, risk declining sales and market irrelevance without updates. By prioritizing redesigns, introducing hybrids or EVs, and enhancing safety and technology, manufacturers can revitalize their lineups and meet modern standards. According to Automotive News, the industry's shift toward electrification and innovation presents exciting opportunities for iconic models to evolve. Consumers should anticipate these redesigns, as they promise enhanced performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge features for a dynamic automotive future.